In this video we will learn how you can use effect. Use effect is another hook. So far we have learned how to use state as a hook, and use effect will generally be used when there is an update in DOM itself and you want to write some code when DOM gets updated. So whenever things like state or any component of the DOM gets updated, we consider that DOM is getting updated. So in that kind of scenario, if you want to perform some code, we write that code into use effect. Let us understand via an example. So I have created an React Native project and open it in Visual Studio Code and preview it on iOS simulator. You can also use Android simulator as well. So run this app via npm start. So first of all, you need to understand what does it mean to DOM get updated. So let me just create a state. Let's say number, set number, use state, let's say 0. So the initial value of our state number will be 0. Now let us create a text in text, and we'll be showing this number here. Let me just save it. Here is our number. Let me just apply some styling. Let's say label, font size is 20, color is red, let's provide some padding. So as you can see, let me just increase the font size, let's say 50. Okay, so 0 is representing the state that we have created, number. Now let us create a button. Title of this button will be update. Okay, so here we have a button. So what we're going to do now is that whenever user press on this update button, the state will change. It will basically increase by 1. On press, arrow function, set number. Let me just not increase this right now. Let me just save it. So now if I press update, nothing will happen because the number is initially set to 0 and we are not changing it. So DOM is not getting updated. So nothing will happen. Now let me just use effect. So this is how you can use effect. arrow function. Let me just console the warning. One, DOM is updated. Let me add number also. Okay. So first we get DOM is updated to 0. Now I press update. As you can see, it only gets called once, because when we set number to 0, that's the only ones that is uh, the set number is getting called. Now let me just increase it by 1 every time. Now if I press update, as you can see, the warning is keep calling because every time the state is changing. So this is how you can use the use effect. Whenever DOM is getting updated and you want to write some code or perform some action during that situation, you need to write that code here. We can also provide conditions, like if let's say number is greater than 30, then only we get warning. Okay, so let us just increase this to number 31. As you can see, DOM is getting updated. So this is basically you can use the use effect whenever any state or component change of then DOM is getting updated, and you can use effect hook to perform some action during that situation. So thanks for watching it.